Hey everyone, want to uninstall GIMP from your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to remove GIMP step by step. Yeah, whether you're reinstalling the software, freeing up storage space, or simply no longer need it, this guide will help you uninstall GIMP safely. First, save any projects you're currently working on and close GIMP completely. Make sure the program isn't running in the background before you begin the uninstall process. If you're using Windows, open the Settings app and go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Find GIMP in the list of installed programs, click on it, and select Uninstall. If you're using a Mac, open the Applications folder, locate GIMP, and drag it to the trash. After that, empty the trash if you want to remove the application completely from your system. For Linux users, open your Software Manager or use your distribution's Package Manager to remove GIMP. You know, the exact steps may vary depending on the Linux distribution you're using. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstall process. Depending on your operating system, this may take a few moments to finish. After GIMP has been removed, restart your computer. Restarting helps ensure that any remaining background processes or temporary files are cleared from memory. If you're planning to reinstall GIMP later, you can also remove leftover configuration files or user settings if needed. This gives you a completely fresh installation the next time you install the software, and that's how you uninstall GIMP. With just a few simple steps, you can completely remove the application from your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.